What should I do if I'm contacted by the police and asked to come into the station for questioning? Hi everyone, Anthony Riccio here, founding attorney of Riccio Law, a Massachusetts criminal defense and personal injury law firm with offices in Quincy and Attleboro, Massachusetts. If you are ever contacted by the police department or a police department and asked to come in for questioning, the first thing that you absolutely should do is contact a criminal defense lawyer. Speak with them, let them know the situation, and you should schedule a time to go and meet with that criminal defense attorney before ever going to the police station and answering any questions, whether that be in person at the police station or even over the phone. The reason you do not want to agree to speak with the police is, quite frankly, is you could acknowledge some sort of facts or a relationship with someone, or that you were at a particular location at a certain date and time. And although you have not done anything wrong, you know you haven't done anything wrong, by corroborating some set of facts or again a relationship, or you being at a particular location, you may be giving the police reason to believe that the allegations that were brought against you have some truth to them. It's possible that someone that you know makes false allegations against you and you have no idea. And even though you know you haven't done anything wrong, by confirming that relationship with someone or confirming that you were with that particular person at a given date and time, you may be confirming some part of the allegations that were made against you. Not that it means you're admitting to a crime or confirming that a crime occurred, but if the police want to speak with you, they do not need to be able to, at that time, prove that you are guilty before they could charge you or even arrest you. The police only need probable cause to arrest you or to issue or apply for criminal charges. So by corroborating some piece of information, even though it may be minor or what you think is insignificant, it may be enough for the police to apply for criminal charges or arrest you. So rather than agreeing to answer the police's questions and going in to speak with them without at least first talking to an attorney or without the presence of an attorney, you are setting yourself up to potentially give the police grounds to arrest you or at a minimum apply for criminal charges. So if the police do contact you and ask you to come in for questioning or try to ask you some questions over the phone, you should, while being polite and respectful, say that you first want to speak with a lawyer before agreeing to come in or answer any questions, and ask them, not to contact you, or let them know that you'll have a lawyer contact them if you would like to speak with them further. Now, obviously, some people have some concerns about doing that and think, oh, well, if I don't cooperate with the police, that is going to look bad down the road. And while the police may try to suggest that cooperating is only going to help you, and by not answering any questions, the only option may be for them to apply for charges or maybe arrest you down the road, you are still better off not speaking with the police. One thing to consider is that if you refuse to speak with the police and say down the road you are arrested or you are facing charges and you decide to go to trial, the district attorney's office, the prosecution, they cannot introduce at trial that you refuse to speak with the police. It is your constitutional right to remain silent. It's a Fifth Amendment issue, and that cannot be used as a reason to try and say you are guilty of a crime. The fact that you refuse to speak with police would not be introduced as evidence at a trial. So that is something that you don't, down the road, really need to worry about if you do in fact refuse to speak with the police. So when you do speak with the police, if they actually do make contact with you, while refusing to speak with them or answer any questions, always remain polite, respectful, and just let them know that you want to meet and speak with an attorney before answering any questions. So if you do find yourself in this particular situation in Massachusetts, feel free to reach out to my office at 508-226-4500 to schedule a free consultation, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have at that time. Thank you.